Hello everyone! Welcome to another Adult Craft and Create video. My name is Lena and I'm from the Sun City Library. Today I will show you how you can make a spring-themed sock gnome. The materials you will need are listed down below and can also be found in the description box. Okay, let's start. First, carefully pour 2 to 3 cups of rice into a sock. Here I am using a white sock. If you're using a colored sock, you can use a wooden craft ball or sheer tights to make your nose flesh colored. Tie off the top with a rubber band, but don't make the sock too taut. You might need to adjust the body a few times. You don't want the body too taut because you want enough elasticity to pull a small amount of rice into the nose. Grab a small portion of rice and tie it off with a rubber band. Now I am going to color in the nose. You can use blush or powdered foundation to color the nose if you're using a pale sock. You can use cheap makeup that you can get at the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store. Let's move on to the beard. Cut a triangle for the beard. When you're cutting the craft fur, do not use scissors. Use a box cutter or craft knife to carefully cut the back of the sheet. If you'd like, you can also cut out a mustache. Tie a third rubber band around where you'd like the neck to be to give the body extra support. Glue the beard snugly under the nose with the ends sticking up a bit. If you're adding a mustache, test it out before carefully gluing it under the nose. Let's make the hat. Now let's cut out a cone from a whole felt sheet. Try to keep the cone as wide as possible. You can always cut it down. Glue one side edge of the sheet using tacky glue or a hot glue gun and carefully glue the sides together. Stuff the hat and glue it onto the gnome. When gluing it onto the gnome, fold a little bit of the hat over the nose and make sure that it covers the top of the beard. Now, if you'd like, we can add the decorations and accessories. I've included patterns for the flower and the bee in the description link below. For the final touch, tie a yarn near the tip of the hat. And here you go, everyone. Here are what your gnomes may look like. Thank you for watching. If you like this project, consider signing up for our live Zoom sessions. Registration will be down below in the description box. Consider following our social media for more projects and programs. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!